Now we'll talk about the fluid that can come from the well, from the rotary turbine, then to the flow line. Here, after the flow line, it will go, if we have an influx, it will go to the choke manifold. This is the choke manifold. After the choke manifold, we have this, we call it mud gas separator. This mud gas separator, from the top we have the gas that goes to the flare line, and from the bottom we have the U-tube. This is the U-tube. It will go again to the bosom belly. Here we have bosom belly. We can go to it. This bosom belly, this one, it is a connection between the flow line that comes from the flow line or from the mud gas separator. It will go then for separation. Here we have, to the right we have, this is shade shaker, and to the left we have shade shaker, this one. Then when we have cuttings, it will get out to that side, to the other side. Then what will go down to the tank? There will be the mud. The mud, it will go to here, vacuum degasser. This is vacuum degasser, this one, the big one. It is reducing the pressure inside it. Then it will help to release the gas that is in the mud. After that, here we have the tank. This is active tank, and there below, behind it, we have the what? The trip tank. It has 50 barrel capacity. Then to the left here we have the active tank. This active tank, we have three. 1, 2, 3. These are three. The steps here, we have the shade shaker, this one and this one. Then it will go to here, we have, this is the vacuum degasser. And down we have the agitator. If we look at the agitator here, why do we use the agitator? To keep the mud moving, circulating or moving. Why? To prevent any solids that can settle down inside the tank. In this case, we have to go from the vacuum degasser. This one will release all the gas from the mud. After that, this is the other tank. Here we can move. There we have degasser, we have desilter and desander. These are cyclones. We can get the silt and sand. These we can get them out here and remove them. Then we have to go to the second half of the mud tank. So this is the second mud tank, active mud tank. Half of it here, the right side, is for the storage of the mud, and the other side is for vacuum, for the sand desilter and desander. This desilter and desander. Here we can get them here out to where? To down, and we can remove them afterwards. Here, desilter and desander. Then here we have active pit. This is the active pit. We have agitator, as we mentioned, to keep it moving all the time. Then we have the third tank. You see, this is the second tank. Here we finish the second tank, this one. The third tank, active tank, is this one. The capacity is 500 barrel, so we can keep the active tank here. And here we have reserve tanks, 3 reserve tanks. Each one is 500 barrel. It has a fresh water to reserve the water for mixing, for circulating, for killing. We need the fresh water. Here, if we want to go inside the tank, we can use the tripod, lifting equipment, going in confined space, entry. Here we have the pumps. Why? We have the hopper. Here is the hopper, this one. We put the chemicals here, and we have down pumps. We have agitator, so the hopper, it can mix the salt and chemicals with fresh water, and then we can measure the density of the mud, viscosity, density with mud balance, viscosity with march funnel. And if we have any problem while we are mixing, before we have any problem, we have to wear the PPE. For example, wear eye protection to prevent slippery trip fall. Also, we have to wear the gloves. We have to wear the foot protection, safety boot, and here we can put on this. We can put the chemicals, then put them here. Here will fall down, they will mix together with the fresh water. Now, suppose that we have any pollution, any damage, anything like this to our eyes, to our skin like this, we have, what is this? This is shower. This is shower, this one. We have fresh water. This is the connection of fresh water. And this is the eye wash. Eye wash, when we press it like this, fresh water will get up. And here when we press it like this, we have fresh water here. So this is safety equipment. And here also we have eye wash. This is eye wash. We see it. Where is it? Eye wash for washing the eyes and washing the face like this. This is number one. To the left, we can get water. We put it like this, like this. This is eye wash. Then the water will get out from here, from the eye wash. Then if we want to close it, we close it like this. Here we call it eye wash station. Eye wash station. So this is in general. You see, this is safety shower. Safety shower. This one. What else? We have lights, explosion proof lights here. We have corridor. What do we have? This is the pump. We take the mud from the active tank. Here, this is triplex pump. We should have two pumps, and the capacity or the pressure and rate will depend on the cylinder and piston size. We have a triplex. We call this one a triplex pump. We have three parts. All of them work together. What do we have else? We have to have another pump. So two pumps for workover rig and three pumps for drilling rig. So here only one. We take this one, and we have dampener. This is the red one, dampener. Why do we use dampener? We fill it with nitrogen, and it will make the rate stable, pressure and rate stable, not to move up down like this. It will cause problem. So there is nitrogen inside. We can put till 900, 800 like this to press it, and the nitrogen will make the movement of the fluid and the pressure stable. And here on the right we have the relief valve. if we have a pressure, if anything, any blockage, anything, we can open it. It will open. It is calibrated anyway. The return will come back to the active tank. This one. Here, what else? This is the suction line. This is the big one. Is the suction line. And after the pump, we have discharge line. Discharge line. It will go from discharge line, this one, then go to the hose. The hose will go to this manifold. We can divert it. You see, the red one where to the this one, the red one, the red one. We call it standpipe. Standpipe on the mast to the left. This standpipe is connected to the hose. We call it Kelly hose. Kelly hose. It will go to the swivel. The swivel has connection. That one we can go to it. Swivel to the connection. This is, we have two. We will talk about swivel. This is, we call it Kelly. Two pieces of Kelly. Inside these two. This and this. We have two pieces of Kelly. It is square, not rounded, square. And each one has 45 feet square. Let us go to the swivel. So this is the sander, this filter. And here we have vacuum degazzer. I wash also. This is the, what do we call it? Shade shaker. It will drop the cuttings down like this, and then it will get out. Here also the same. This is the trip tank, 50 barrel capacity only, and it is divided into one, two, like this, like a scale. Here, this is the choke manifold. This is the choke manifold. If we have any influx, it will come to the choke manifold. We have two chokes. This is the hydraulic choke, hydraulic actuated choke. This one, we can open and close it. This one, this, it will go here to the other side, then to the mudgas separator. It will go to here, here, then to the mudgas separator. This is the mudgas separator. Up, it will get up from the side and middle. Then this is the mudgas separator. It is 30 inch. And this pipe, this is the U-tube. This is the U-tube. It has a height 10 feet. It will go again to the tank, to the active tank. This one, active tank. This is mud, and we have additional separation using the vacuum degazzer. Here, initial separation for the gas. The gas will get out from the top to the flare, to the flare stack. This one, it will go here to the flare stack. Flare stack is spotted downwind, maybe 200 feet, 300 feet, and we have to flare the gas. So this is the mud gas separator. So this is minimum 8 inch, this line, U-tube, and this is minimum 8 inch, maybe 10 inch, 20, like this. And the gas will get only out from here, not from here, only here, this, we have only the mud. And this is the test pump for the BOP. We have chart, we can test the BOP and make sure that it is ready for work. This one, test pump. We have chart recorder also. Like this. Here, let us go. This is the substructure, this one. And above it, what do we have? Substructure, we have the rig floor. And this is the manifold. Here we have the manifold, this one, to the tanks. Either to choke manifold to here or to the trip tank, or if you want to go to do a flow check, or to the bosom belly. This one we call it bosom belly. This one, this piece, bosom belly. Then it will go either to the trip tank. This is the trip tank, the right one, small one, 50 barrel, or to the shell shaker. We have 2 shell shakers. Then this is the manifold, and we have here the well. At the top of the this one, we have the rotary table, and we have, this is the mast. We have 2 guys are going up to fix a line air winch in the ship. Here, this is the drawer. Here we have the drawer, this one, drawer with seat and pistons. We have HPU also. This is the HPU, hydraulic pressure unit. It delivers hydraulic power to all parts of that. What else? This is the mud pump. That one is, we have there, the left side, we have 2 compressors and we have 2 generators. And this is the transmission and the motor for the rig. Here is the drawer. We have in the drawer, we have the main brake, 2 brakes from the right and 2 brakes from the left. And from the back side, we have safety brake, just in case. Here we call this one V-door or pipe ramp. This one, to pick up the pipes or lay down. And this one, we call it cement line. If we want to pump cement, this is the line, 2 inch, this one. And at the right here, we have remote choke panel, this one, the red one, remote choke panel. Here, what do we call this? Catwalk. This is catwalk. And we have here rack. This is ramp. Here we have the winch. This is the winch. And what do we have here? We have the swivel. As we mentioned, we take the standpipe or the Kelly hose from there and connect it to here, the hose. Then we have the swivel. This swivel is connected down to the Kelly, this one. And what do we have here? We have air spinner to connect and disconnect the Kelly. The Kelly has 4 edges, not rounded. So using, this is a hydraulic pump or air pump, so we can use it to open and close, connect and disconnect the Kelly. Here we have the swivel, the ring, and here we have the links. We have 2 links. The big one is installed with the hook. Where is the hook? There, the yellow one. And the small one is connected to the elevator from the bottom. So at the top we have the big one, and in the bottom we have the small one. It is connected, the small one. If we want to trip in or trip out, we connect it with the elevator. Elevator is connected to the drill pipe or any other type of the drill string. So this is mudguard separator. Now this is a diesel tank. This is the ladder to the rig floor, the mast, crane. What else? Let us see. This is the BOP. This is the BOP. Here we have hydraulic BOP. Hydraulic BOP, the big one. This one. Hydraulic BOP, this one. And below it, what do we have? The shear seal. The shear seal, or shear blind, or blind drums. Either shear blind or blind drums. We can operate it hydraulically, the big one. This is the top. Shear blind or blind drum. Here we have VBR, variable bore ram. This one, variable bore ram. We can close at any size of the pipe. This one. And here is the wellhead down. Let us see. This is the choke manifold here on the right. We have HCR. This is HCR. And here we have kill line. So choke line and kill line. And this is part of the wellhead. Always we install the manual valve from the inside and HCR from the outside. What do we mean by HCR? High closing ratio. It operates hydraulically. And here also you see manual and HCR. Here, this is kill line. Let us see the specification of this valve. Manual flat valve, manual flat gate valve, a 3 1/8 inch, 5000 psi, API 6A. We have API 6A and we have what else? This is the temperature. PR weight 147 kilogram. So it is made in China. This one, API 6A. This one, injection port. This is injection port. And here we have, what do we have here? Hydraulic flat gate valve. Also all specs are mentioned here. 1500 psi cylinder. We have serial number. The weight is 205 kilogram. We have working pressure is 5000 psi. This one. Size is 3 1/8. So all of them. Here we have these hoses that are connected. These hoses from the BOP to the COM unit. This is the COM unit. We can explain what is it in the spare parts here. Let us go to the drawer. Here we have a cooling tank. Why? If the drawer has high temperature, it is cooling it. Maybe in the summer, maybe also if we have heavy weight, there is a tank and pump. It is pumping water to cool the drawer. This is the drawer. This one. The drill line size is 1 1/4 inch. We have many sizes of drill line: 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 5/8, and 1 3/4 inch. Here we have a chronomatic for isolation. This one, chronomatic for isolation of the drawer. Why? To avoid hitting the traveling block with the crown block. This one, to avoid hitting. So when we have this layer, 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers. When we go to the 3rd layer, then the cable drill line will hit with it and will switch off. And we have another also switch, electrical. This is from the top. From the bottom, to avoid hitting the elevator with the slips or with the rotary cable, we have also electrical switch. And we have here a brake, 2 brakes here and 2 brakes here, and safety from the other side. What do we have? Here is the rig. Here is the swivel. We have how many blocks? 5. So the system is 5 traveling block and 6 what? Crown block, up 6. We can use 2 joints, connect and disconnect, not a 3. For the drilling we can use a 3, but for workover we can use 2. Here we have air winch, this one and the other one, air winch. Why? To take to pick up and lay down the pipes from here. And here we have the rotary table. The rotary table here, it can rotate right and left. Here we have camera, eye wash. This is the remote control panel. I am trying to open it. Remote control panel. What is in the remote control panel? We have casing pressure here, and to the left we have standby pressure or drill pipe pressure. We have air supply pressure. We should have 120 psi. What else? Valve position opening. This is opening. How many? The size is here the maximum. So we can open ½ inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4, and like this. Here we have hydraulic pressure. We should have hydraulic pressure. How can we operate? We can operate the pump here. أستاذ أحمد بس افتح لي هذا. Here we have pump here. Yeah, it is open. Okay, no problem. We have pump here, and we have here pump air supply pressure. Here pump pressure. Here we have pump pressure hydraulic valve, and that's it. Here we can move the choke right and left, this one. And here we have the power. This one is the power. Here we have to select either pump 1 or 2 or 3. Here to clear. And this is the remote choke panel. Here we have the harness. If we want to go up, close it. Here, this is the man riding winch. If we want to go up, we can use this one. Man riding winch. And here we have 2 lines. These for the tongue. for the tongue, we can install them at the rotary table, and we can operate them. Here we have the driller's console. This is the driller's console. We have it here. We have many things. We can start from the right. This is rotary table. We have RPM. We have the torque. Also kilonewton times meter. Here we have to operate either to control it forward or reverse. This is forward or reverse for the pump, for the rotary table. This is the brake. This is reset, and here shutdown. The system shutdown. And here we have the lights. Here we have for the wiper. This is the wiper. You see the what do we call it? The screen here in front of the driller. This is the wiper, and up also we have wiper here. Here, you see it? This one, wiper, like a car. What do we have here? Also, we have standby pressure. This one, standby pressure. This is the most important gauge, which is weight indicator. The red one is, what do we call the red one? The string weight, drill string weight. And this is the weight on bit. We can take pumps from the inside. You see, this is 0, 5, 5,000, 10, 10,000, 15,000, and so on. Here weight on bit also from the pumps. We can take the pumps. From the outside kilonewton, we take from the inside. Maybe 50 kilopounds, 100, like this. This is the brake, working brake. We can release, we can go down. Brake, stop. This is emergency shutdown, this one. This is for the, like hand brake in the car. We can park, like parking brake, this one. Here we can increase the speed, RPM, for the rotary table. Here we have the torque. We can increase and reduce the torque. What else? We have here the brake also. This is a microphone for the speaker. If the driller wants to tell anything or ask the the floorman to do anything, he can ask him from him. And here we have horn. This is horn. Beep, 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 like this. And here cameras. We have 4 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever he can see. And here we have like electronic system. This one he can watch it. The driller. And here also we can watch the cameras. If he wants to put camera 1, camera 2, or 4 cameras, we have 4 cameras. From here he can control it, the driller. So he can control from here. He can see 1 camera here on the rig floor, 1 camera on the mast near the derrick man, 1 camera at the drawwork, and camera at the choke manifold. So 4 cameras. What else? Here we have the gear, like a car, gear neutral, F1, F2, F3, like this, till F6. And we have a throttle, also main engine throttle, this one, main engine throttle. Main engine kill, we can stop it. Here we have mods, mod 1, mod 2, mod pump 1, mod pump 2. This one, clutch, kill. This is a protector on off. This is a pneumatic spider control also. Mud pump also. Here for transmission of the engine. And pressure, temperature, all of these. You see air pressure. Here we have, this is the throttle. We can, if it is on neutral, we don't pick up. If it is a clutch, we can pick up. If we go from here to here, we can move it from here to here. It is picking up. If we want to make it go down, you put it on neutral. This is neutral. you can allow the weight of the drill string to go down by itself. How can you control it? You can control it through the brake here. If release, you can allow it. If stop brake, you can stop it. This one. Here we use the auxiliary brake control. Why? If we want to go down and we use this one only, the brake, the hook will vibrate and it will move right and left. So this one, the auxiliary additional brake, why? To control it. It will go slowly. And here we have a spinner assembly for the drill, for the kelly. We can rotate it right or left, this one. And here rotary table brake also, we can stop it, either clutch or neutral. I think these are the hoist. This is the hoist also for this one. The hoist, this one. We see it, this is the hoist. This one, so we can do it. Here we have BOP panel here at the driller's console. This one, there is no light, I think, but we can see some. I don't see. Anyway, so but I can talk. We can control the BOP from here. We can press on the master valve, then press any other one, any other button to open or close any ram. This one, it doesn't close. But anyway, this is the idea. We can control the BOP. I think that is all. We have hoses, we have air conditioner, we have all of these. I hope that I have given some information about the components and the operation. Thank you.